Well, I'm back. This is the final video series of this. I got my charger hooked up. Got my leads down here. Got my batteries ready. Got my trays. I'm getting ready to install these down here. So we'll see what happens. Then we'll want to fire up the ulterra. See what happens. Well, I got these in there. I put the trays in. Got it hooked up in series. I'm going to have to put the foam in here so it don't slide around. And we're going to test this ulterra out. I just powered it on. It's got power. We got power. Let's see what else it does. We have power. It's working. I'm stopping it so it don't hit my trailer. But also twisted this right here because this was facing over here, so I raised it. I raised it like that, pulled this pin, lifted it up, and twisted it over here. Then I unplugged it, and I replugged it up and turned the button back on. Just getting power that way. See what else we can do. It works. Finally done with it. Even got my pup paired up, wired up. The only thing I gotta do now is pair up my remote. So it's been an interesting one, I know that. Getting everything together, putting everything in, wiring. But I hope you enjoyed this somewhat installation. I didn't go through a lot of it today. Just put the trays in the batteries. So they are charging. They are charging. The green one here is for my back battery. It's already charged. This here is just a blank. I don't have this one hooked to nothing. These two are my trolling motors. They're charging. They'll turn green. So I'm gonna take it out on the water tomorrow if I can, and we'll get a little video there too.